Welcome to Auto Buzz Start, your go-to channel for everything cars. Today we're talking about something absolutely insane, the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon, and trust me, this thing is a complete game changer. So Bugatti just dropped this beast and honestly, it's hard to even wrap your head around what they've accomplished here. For years we've seen the Veyron and the Chiron dominate the hypercar world with that incredible W16 engine, but now Bugatti said, you know what, let's do something completely different and completely mental. They've gone with a naturally aspirated V16 engine paired with 3 electric motors, and the result is just mind-blowing. We're talking about 1,800 horsepower here folks. 1,800. That's more power than most people will ever experience in their entire lives. And the way this power is delivered is just phenomenal. The V16 screams like nothing you've ever heard before, that pure naturally aspirated sound that makes your hair stand on end, and then you've got these electric motors adding instant torque whenever you need it. It's like having the best of both worlds, that raw mechanical symphony combined with cutting-edge electric technology. The speed this thing can achieve is absolutely ridiculous. We're looking at a top speed of 276 miles per hour. Just think about that for a second. That's faster than most small airplanes fly. And it's not just about straight-line speed either. Bugatti has engineered this car to handle like a dream, with all-wheel drive making sure every single one of those 1,800 horses gets put to the ground effectively. Now let's talk about how this thing looks because wow, it's stunning. Bugatti has always been about creating rolling art and the Tourbillon takes that to a whole new level. The design is aggressive yet elegant, with that iconic horseshoe grille up front that instantly tells you this is a Bugatti. The bodywork is all about aerodynamics and every curve serves a purpose, channeling air exactly where it needs to go. When you see this car in person, it demands attention. People will stop and stare, cameras will come out, and jaws will drop. Step inside and you're greeted with pure luxury. Bugatti hasn't just made a fast car, they've created a piece of art that you can drive. The interior is filled with the finest materials money can buy. Hand-stitched leather everywhere, beautiful machined aluminum, carbon fiber accents, everything just screams quality and attention to detail. But here's what's really cool, the instrument cluster. They took inspiration from Swiss watchmaking and created these analog gauges that actually rise up from the dashboard. It's like wearing a luxury watch but it's your entire dashboard. Absolutely genius. The driving experience is where this car really shines. You've got multiple driving modes that completely transform the character of the car. Want to cruise around town quietly on electric power? You can do that. Want to unleash hell and use all 1,800 horsepower? Just select the right mode and hold on tight. The adaptive suspension is constantly working, reading the road and adjusting thousands of times per second to give you either a comfortable ride or maximum performance depending on what you're doing. What's really impressive is how Bugatti has managed to make this hybrid system work so well. The electric motors aren't just there for show, they actually allow you to drive short distances on pure electric power, which is pretty amazing for a hypercar. Plus they provide instant torque which makes the acceleration even more brutal than it already was. Of course, this level of engineering and exclusivity comes at a price. Only a handful of these will ever be made, each one hand-built in Molsheim, France by master craftsmen who spend hundreds of hours on every single car. These aren't just assembled, they're crafted with a level of care and precision that's almost unheard of in today's world. If you love cars as much as we do and want to stay up to date with all the latest releases, reviews and automotive news, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. Here at Auto Buzz Start, we're all about bringing you the most exciting content from the automotive world. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below and we'll see you in the next video.